Hello friends, I am Guna Mathivanan, Current Affairs faculty at Officers IAS Academy. In this video, we will be discussing our 125th Current Affairs headless topic, that is regarding bird flu. Friends, before understanding about bird flu, let us briefly try to understand about virus, right? Virus, friends, virus is of multiple types, right? Say for example, we have influenza virus, we have coronavirus. Like that, we have different types of viruses. This influenza virus can be further divided into type A virus, type B virus, type C virus, and so on. Similarly, coronavirus can be further classified into SARS COVID-1, SARS COVID-2, it goes on. There are different types of coronaviruses. Coming to influenza virus, this type A virus is further classified into, let us say H1N1, we all heard about H1N1, let us say H5N1, right? So it goes on. So what is this H and N refers to? This H and N, that refers to different kind of protein substances which is embedded over the surface of virus. See, virus, if you take a virus, you will find some genetic material enveloped, right, by a protein layer. So this may be RNA or this may be DNA in a virus. So virus contains some genetic material enveloped by a protein layer, right? This protein layer will be having some protein substances embedded over it. Some protein substances, some spikes, like we will see in the surface of virus, we will see some spikes, right? That spikes are nothing but some protein substances, right? Based on the type of protein substance, okay, it is classified into H1N1, H5N1, like that, right? This H refers to hemagglutinin. H refers to hemagglutinin. So there are 18 types of hemagglutinin. N refers to neuraminidase. There are 11 types of neuraminidase. This hemagglutinin, neuraminidase, that all refers to different types of protein. Just for the sake of understanding, I am referring it to like that, right? So based on the type of the particles embedded over the virus, it is classified as H1N1, H2N2, H5N1. For example, let us say this H, this red refers to H1. Now it also has something else too. This green refers to N1. This green refers to N1. Then we will call this particular virus as H1N1 virus. Now let us take a different case. Okay, so here we are able to see some different types of hemagglutinin. So we have H5, we have H5 type, right? And we have this green refers to N1. Okay, so now we call this virus as H5N1 virus, right? So this H1N1 virus will be generally called as type A influenza H1N1 virus. This H5N1 will be called as type A influenza H5N1 virus. So whenever you see the virus as H1N1, H5N1, H2N1, something like that, whenever you come across that H and N, then those are viruses that belongs to type A of influenza virus. Clear? So H1N1 we know, we call it as swine flu. H5N1 we call it as avian influenza or bird flu. So this bird flu was in news. This bird flu was in news. So this bird flu, it is a type A influenza virus, okay, where you will have H5 and N1 protein protrusions, right? So these occur naturally among the wild aquatic birds and it can infect the domestic poultry and other bird and animal species. Usually it will not infect humans, but however there are certain instances where highly pathogenic strains, they cause respiratory disease in humans as well. When they come in close contact with the infected poultry, then they are also getting affected. So WHO they expressed they are concerned that this virus can mutate and can become easily transmissible. Why it was in news? Bird flu was recently reported among wild geese in Himachal Pradesh, crows in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, and ducks in Kerala. That is why this was in news. Right friends, so based on our discussion, I have constructed an MCQ, find out the right answer and given the comment section. So here we have come up with 600 current affairs MCQ booklet in PDF format, which covers current affairs MCQs from June 2020 till November 2020. If you're interested, you can buy this PDF by clicking the link given in the description box below. So here I have given the features of my exclusive current affairs course, which will be covering 1 year's current affairs, targeting our prelim 2021. Live online classes. It can be recorded classes will also be given to you. You can watch it according to your convenience. If you are interested, you can go through the features and you can make a call to the number given here. As you all know, you can download the presentation by clicking the link given in the description box. Right friends, tomorrow I will meet you with another exciting, interesting, important topic. Till then, bye, take care.